We'll guide you through how to restore contacts on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps you're in the Contacts app and all the contacts that you expect are showing up there. So let's go into some different ways you can do this. First of all, come out of the Contacts app, and what you want to do is go and open up the Settings app, come to the top and go and tap on your name. You want to come down the list and go and find the option for iCloud and go and tap there. Then you want to go down to Save to iCloud and click there, and scroll down and go and switch on contacts. You can go and switch this on, and we can then go and merge our iCloud contacts onto our iPhone. Now, if we go and return here, it may take a moment or two, but the iCloud contacts should go and be synced on here. You can see that number is now going up, so go and see if that solves the problem. However, if some are still not showing up, what you can do is come back to your settings, come back to the main settings page, scroll down to the bottom and tap apps, and you want to go down to M and go into mail. Then you want to go into mail accounts, and you can actually go and sync contacts from your mail accounts. For example, with Gmail, we'll tap there, and we can go and switch on contacts like so. I'm just in the list here, and I can go and see my Gmail contacts here, and I can view them all at once by clicking all contacts at the top.